Well, at this point in time, I'm not sure where this video is going. Nighttime is coming upon us, and right now it's 49 degrees outside. Had some rain, well, good part of the day, not heavy rain, really light rain. Supposed to have that again tomorrow. However, in the morning, I'm gonna go help my dad put up an auger into one of our corn drying bins at one of our bin sites, and then depending on what the weather looks like, if it's not going to rain tomorrow afternoon, I think we may go try to combine some corn, and if we can, we're going to combine beans. I don't think we're going to be combining beans tomorrow. Corn, we might be able to do some corn tomorrow if it doesn't rain. And I looked at the 24-hour future radar. Looks to me like it's going to be raining tomorrow afternoon. And then I believe Sunday is supposed to be okay for at least part of the day. And then Monday, Tuesday, the local TV channel I was watching today, they ran the thing that tells you how much rain is expected over parts of the state. And right around here, I think it came up to 2.2 inches. If we get 2 inches of rain, we probably won't be doing anything the rest of the week. Harvest is off to a slow start this year, that's for sure. And I tell you, I'm just down here hanging out in the shop tonight. And 49 degrees outside. In here, I've got it heated up pretty good, like 75, something like that. And I don't know where they're coming from. There's a lot of flies showing up in here tonight, so so the old fly swatter is getting a workout. And it's kind of nice. 49 degrees, rather chilly outside, but in here I've got it cranked up to like 75. And yes, the old heater. But it's kind of nice for now. I also know that come about February, I'm going to be pretty sick of it. And it is the next day, about 5:30, I think. And we did get that auger put up this morning, and also had to replace some batteries in one of the 4020 tractors that runs the auger. We figured it might be better to do that now than some morning in harvest when the tractor didn't want to start. Everybody's tired and grumpy. We just went ahead and replaced them this morning. And it's been raining for the last couple hours at least this afternoon. Hasn't rained a whole lot, but it's rained enough that it's going to keep us out of the field for a while since it was pretty wet. Supposed to get more rain tonight, more rain tomorrow, and possibly quite a bit of rain on Monday. And guess what just kicked on? Yes, the heater. The wonderful, wonderful heater. Just love that thing. It's 48 degrees outside, got the heater on down in the shop. It's supposed to warm back up, it's supposed to be like 82 on Wednesday. And one thing I've been looking at here just a few minutes ago, I've been sitting down here looking on my phone, is about a different heater. Last year I was looking into getting like a hanging shop heater, put it in the corner or something, propane heater with a big, like a 500-gallon tank outside or something. And been thinking about maybe instead of that getting an infrared heater or a couple of infrared heaters for in here, so when they do turn on, they're just not making much noise. I just don't know a lot about the infrared heaters, how they compare to like a hanging heater or forced air heater. I'm under the impression that they direct the heat to a specific spot. And I'm just wondering if that's the case, is it going to heat the whole shop? I don't know, seems like the way to go. They even work when the power's out. They don't require any electricity. So if it would heat the shop, I think that might be the way to go. And I was looking at one, I guess it hangs down and it has some chains on it or something, so you can angle it one way or the other to direct the heat where you want it to go. And I thought, well, if you put one over here, you could angle it so it's pointed down that way a little bit. Put another one back here, pointed down this way a little bit. And then maybe it would heat the shop. Sometimes I run the fan down here with the heater just to circulate the air around, and maybe that would help as well. So if you have experience with infrared heaters, leave a comment down below on what you think about them, especially if you have infrared heaters, used to have a hanging shop type heater, or just one of these things. drop a comment down below. Let's have a little conversation about these heaters. As far as heating the shop, this one does pretty darn well. It's 115,000 BTU. Goes through a lot of diesel, and I imagine it's probably not the healthiest thing to be running in here all the time. But it does heat the shop quite well. I don't have any complaints with that really. Even when it's like 20 below zero, it'll take it a long time to get the shop warmed up, but once it does, it'll maintain it. So I don't know, I hadn't really thought about it till now, but now that it's starting to get a little cooler outside, definitely starting to think about a different way to heat the shop. So it is now Sunday morning. I need to get this video finished and uploaded. But it's another wet day today. I think it's going to be wet for the next 3 days. But something else I need to do down here is, this wall isn't insulated, this north wall that just opens up into the barn. No insulation on that at all. I mean, it's dead air back behind there, but I'm going to get this wall insulated this fall after field work. And up here, that part right up there, that doesn't have any insulation in it either. This down here does, this wall does, the ceiling, the whole ceiling does, except for like right down in here. There's no insulation on this far edge, which there should be. And I have a big gap right up there, clear over to where that insulation is. And I did that a little bit intentionally, just so I could vent out of here a little bit. But I imagine a lot of heat escapes through there and a lot of cold air comes down through there. So need to get that insulated up there as well. But I do imagine getting this wall insulated would probably make a huge difference. And one thing I was doing last night, I was playing around, got some new cleaning wipes, and I really like these things. For one, they smell good, but they'd work really good on your hands, and they also work really good on anything that is, well, just dirty. But I don't know how well you can see this. Anything that's like oily, this is kind of has a little bit of oil and dirt mixed in with it. And these things, they really work good cleaning that stuff off. I was amazed. This is kind of caked on, but it just takes that kind of stuff right off. And like dusty dirty up here on top. And one towel seems to go a long ways. So I was just messing around with these, cleaned off my vise, cleaned off some battery chargers and stuff. I was just seeing how good they worked, and I'm rather impressed with them. I'll link these down below in the description if you want to try them out. But I do believe I'll be getting more of these. Send in your license plates. Link down below in the description for that, also for hoodies, t-shirts, and channel stickers. But I think that's about it. I want to get this edited and uploaded for you guys. And if you know anything about those kind of heaters, drop a comment down below. And hopefully we're going to get in the field here pretty soon, although it's probably going to be at least the middle part of the week, and then it's supposed to rain again. So give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll catch you next time. Bye-bye.